Clouds, where the rain never ceases, lies a secret paradise of untouched beauty and releases. From the Garo hills to the Cassie plains, Meghalaya's mystique remains. Oh Meghalaya, land of enchantment, your beauty leaves me in awe and wonderment. From the living roots to the sparkling lakes, my heart beats for you, Meghalaya, it aches. In the caves of Mawsmai, ancient secrets sleep. The sound of the waterfalls echoes soft and deep. The rhododendrons bloom in the hills so high. As the sun sets over Shillong, the sky is painted in the sky. Oh Meghalaya, land of enchantment, your beauty leaves me in awe and wonderment. From the living roots to the sparkling lakes, my heart beats for you, Meghalaya, it aches. In the midst of nature's splendor, I find my peace, a sense of belonging my soul releases. The warmth of the people, their smiles so wide. In Meghalaya, I find my heart's inside. Oh Meghalaya, land of enchantment, your beauty leaves me in awe and wonderment. From the living roots to the sparkling lakes, my heart beats for you, Meghalaya.